हेलो एवरीवन। अपनी प्रीवियस वीडियो में हमने डिस्कस किया था प्रिंसिपल ऑफ नेचुरल जस्टिस इंट्रोडक्शन। नाउ द पर्पस ऑफ प्रिंसिपल। फर्स्ट वेरी important purpose of the principle of natural justice is to provide equal opportunity of being heard. Second, to fulfill the gap and loophole of the laws. Then, to provide the fundamental rights and basic features of the Constitution. With the help of principle of natural justice, we can prevent the miscarriage of justice. That is, no miscarriage of justice is the main aim or purpose of our principle of natural justice. Supreme Court said that arriving at a reasonable and justifiable judgment is the purpose of judicial and administrative bodies. सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने क्लियरली कहा है कि जुडिशरी अथॉरिटीज़ और हमारी एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव अथॉरिटीज़ का मेन पर्पस ही ये है कि जस्टिस के साथ कुछ भी डिनाई ना हो, कोई भी पर्सन जस्टिस के बिना ना रहे. 3 essential procedure related to the principle of natural justice. First one is, no one should be a judge in his own matter. Second, no one can be condemned unheard. And last is, the party is entitled to know each and every reason and the decision taken by the authority. जब प्रिंसिपल ऑफ नेचुरल जस्टिस को कहते हैं हमने फॉलो किया है, उस टाइम पे हमें 3 प्रोसीजर को फॉलो करना है. फर्स्ट हमारा, नो वन बी शुड जज इन हिज ओन मैटर. कोई भी पर्सन अपने ओन डिसीजन में जज खुद नहीं होगा. द रीजन इज दैट इट इज इम्पॉर्टेंट दैट द जज शुड बी impartial, neutral and free from bias. Second is, no one can be condemned unheard. Means it is important that the procedure of fair hearing has been followed. दोनों पार्टीज को इक्वल अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलनी चाहिए अपने केस को रिप्रेजेंट करने की. एंड द पार्टी इज एंटाइटल्ड टू नो each and every reason and the decision taken by the authorities. और पार्टीज को पता होना चाहिए कि जो डिसीजन लिया है उस डिसीजन का बेस क्या है. देन नेक्स्ट इज द प्रिंसिपल दैट नो मैन shall be a judge in his own cause is an very ancient principle of common law, and it is based on our legal maxim, that is nemo judice in causa sua. That is, the object of rule is to strengthen the public confidence in administration of justice. The justice should not only be done but undoubtedly be seen to be done. Now, rule against bias. A very important term in principle of a natural justice is a bias. Now, first of all, आप समझिए meaning of bias. The term bias means anything that may tend to cause a person to decide a case other than on evidence. The rule that no man shall be a judge in his own cause means that the judge should be impartial, neutral and free from bias. Now we have different kinds of a bias, but three very important: departmental bias, pecuniary bias, and personal bias. Out of which, departmental bias. The issue of departmental bias is very common in every administrative process, and it is not checked effectively, and on every small interval period it will lead to negative concept of fairness will get vanished in the proceeding. The problem of departmental bias also arises when the function of judges and prosecutor are combined in the same department. So next, pecuniary bias and personal bias we will discuss in our next video.